Hey guys, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. It's a bit windy here on the dock. I've got an awesome boat to show you guys today. It's a 2017 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. The boat's powered by a 60 4-stroke Mercury. It's got the bimini top, fresh 200-hour service, new fuel pump. This boat only has about 7 hours on the motor. Very lightly used, full 200-hour service. So she's basically ready to go, brand new boat. Quick walkthrough from the outside of the boat, then I'll hop on and show you guys some of the inside stuff. Got a 3-step stainless boarding ladder. So you can see a big Garmin transducer. It's a fishing package, so it has that live well in the back there. 2 external fuel tanks, easy to replace. Stereo system, speakers on both sides of the console. Got a cooler that sits up front with the cushion. It's got the bow cushion to go across the bow there. Got the anchor locker under this compartment. Take a step aboard, show you guys around. Just had a fresh detail. Trying not to mark it up too much. Got your tachometer, switches, key, stereo, shifter and throttle, stainless, classic Whaler wheel. You got this adjustable backrest for the big captain's chair. Again, like I said, the fishing package, you've got rod holders and a live well. Really clean boat. You've got access to the plug right there, bilge pump. Really easy to work on this boat. Four different stations for that. Bimini is in excellent shape. Anchor locker with drain. It's got the anchor in the bag over there. Nice little boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2017 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Only about 7 hours on it. Full service, full detail, comes with a trailer. Guys, call me today. Let's get you out on the water. Thanks for watching.